Hello YouTube world. I've done a little pre-prepping of this, but tonight we are making twice baked stuffed potatoes. As you see, I've already baked them and taken the potatoes out. I've already cooked some bacon bits, and I've already chopped up the green onions and shredded the cheese. You can add whatever you want to them, but this is what I want to add. So after baking them and taking the potato out and putting it into a bowl, you're going to mash the potato up. Get it all nice and mashed so that everything mixes real well. And you're going to add about half of the bacon bits and about half of the cheese, maybe a little more than half, and about half of the green onions. And like I said, you can add whatever you'd like to them. Mix all that up really well. You want to mix it really well so everybody gets a little bit of everything. Now, after I baked the potatoes, I waited a few minutes to shell them out because they're pretty hot. Okay, now you're going to take your spoon and your potato shells, and you're going to scoop your ingredients back into the potato. A little bit of everything in each shell. These are gonna be good. I kind of like to start with just a little bit in each one, just to make sure I have enough. And by the way, this is mine and my husband's new cooking channel, so you may already know the recipes, and we're going to do some of our own stuff, just fun things to show you how we like to cook and what we like to eat. So if you like it, you should totally subscribe. Thumbs up and follows too. And I'm thinking for our next video we may do some slow cooker chili. All fresh ingredients. Nothing from a can. Well, maybe the tomato sauce. Warning though, the chili may give you toots. But what's chili without a few toots? Make sure they're all standing up. And I like to press it down really good to make sure that you're getting it really nice and full. Now, there's not much left, but whatever is left, just stick it in whichever one doesn't have as much in it. I also turned the oven to 350 when I started prepping all this so it would be preheated. Okay, now that you have all of that in there, to make these just that much better, you're going to add the rest of the ingredients and just sprinkle it on top. You can never have too much stuff in your stuffed potatoes. And bacon. Everybody loves bacon. I should have made more bacon. That's alright, there's some inside too. And then sprinkle them with the leftover green onions. Alright, now we are going to stick these bad boys in the oven for about 20 minutes to get them nice and hot and the cheese melted, and you will see what they look like when they're done.